Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, explain last function in XPath expressions. Let me answer. In XPath expressions, there are several functions. In that, last function is one of them. Using this last function in XPath expressions, we can locate the last element. Okay. So in place of this index, if you provide the last, you don't have to provide a particular index value here. If you mention last means in that index list, whatever the element that comes last will be located. For example, in a particular web page, there are on a particular day, there are 5 paragraphs. If you say /p of last, in what will happen? The last paragraph, fifth paragraph will be located. Other day, what happened was on the same web page, instead of 5 paragraphs, there were 7 paragraphs. In that case, which paragraph will be located? Since we have provided last instead of index, okay, fifth paragraph will not be located on that day. Rather, the 7th paragraph, which is the last paragraph on that day, will be located. And other cases also where instead of 5 or 7 paragraphs on a particular day, you have only 2 paragraphs. So with the last mentioned inside this square brackets in place of the index, which paragraph will be located? First, that is, if 2 paragraphs are there, last means second paragraph will be located. Okay. So in this example, I'm taking paragraph, but it can be anything. It can be input tag, it can be hyperlinks, multiple hyperlinks. Whatever the last one you want to locate, that can be located, okay, with the help of last, okay. So even though the element count is changing on the web page, using this last, we can find the last one, okay. So I'll go to this web page to demonstrate this. Here only 2 paragraphs are there. Right click somewhere and select inspect. We'll get the HTML code displayed here. So if I expand this body section, there are 2 paragraphs here. So in this, what is the last paragraph? This is the first one, this is the second one, right? So what I will do here is, I'll simply select one of the line and say Control F and say /p of, if I say 1 means first paragraph will be located, we already know. If I give 2 means the second paragraph will be located, okay? That's good. But we don't know, okay? Today, there are 2 paragraphs. Tomorrow, there will be 3 paragraphs. Day after tomorrow, there may be 4 or 5 paragraphs. Whatever the number of paragraphs may be, I want to locate the last one. In that case, if I give 2, tomorrow 3 paragraphs come, the second paragraph will be located instead of the last paragraph. I have to again tomorrow change this thing to P of 3, okay? Instead of that, if I simply say last means, it will take whatever the paragraph that is at the last, okay? This is the first paragraph, this is the last paragraph. So I'll show you. Okay, now 2 paragraphs are there. Second one is getting located with the last. So what I will do is right click, I'll simply say edit at HTML and I'll copy and create one more paragraph for a temporary purpose. Para 3, I'll say, para 3, sub 3, different values I'll give. This is third para, I'll say. Now, if I press enter, you see which paragraph is getting located with the help of this last function. In place of the index, I gave the last function. This is locating the third paragraph this time. Tomorrow, many more paragraphs came into picture where, you see, I'll just keep copy pasting. And no matter how many paragraphs are there, I'll keep copy pasting. So I'll just keep copy pasting these things. Okay. So edit and HTML. This is 4th paragraph. And some different values I'll give just to make it different. And this is the fifth paragraph. I'll make it this one, 5th one. No matter how many paragraphs are there, it doesn't matter. In this example, we'll take the last element, okay? Last one, last position 1. 6, here also 6, I'll say. Now tell me guys, if I press enter with this XPath expression having this last function mentioned inside this square brackets, which paragraph will be located? Now there are 6 paragraphs here. So 6th paragraph needs to be located. You see 6th paragraph, which is the last one, got located. And reversely, what may happen is the number of paragraphs may also get reduced on a particular day. In that case, also whatever the last paragraph is there, that will get located. So hope guys you got an idea what is the purpose of using the last function and how to use the last function in XPath expressions with practical demonstration in this session. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye-bye.